is Bikini Mechanics day 3. So we're gonna be taking off my old flywheel. Do you guys like the bikini? So we have this T55 socket that I'm gonna use to take off my flywheel on my 350Z. You're also gonna need an impact with possibly an extension. I'm not ready for this. Sorry for the angle. You're gonna be able to see what I'm doing in a second though. First bolt is up. Alright. At least they're tight. At least I know I need these tight. Alright, let's hope this thing don't fall on me. Period. Bitch, and the heels. What's up? Anyway, flywheel's off. Now we gotta put the new one on and get the clutch installed already, so I can clutch kick on you motherfuckers. Trying to run somebody's door. Anyway, here's my clutch. Beautifully cooked. What do we think?